after a long absence, and I think it was a duet she did with somebody else. This is Laura Breton is back with After the Rain. So let's dive in. I think this is second time. I cover so much music. Anyway, let's carry on.
The clouds are dark, the storm is real. I've tried to fight the way I feel, but sometimes life can just pour down on you. But you calm the wind and ease my fears. You wash away all my tears and softly say,
Well, this is a lovely track. I think it's a new one. I think it's original. Sounds original. Don't sound like something I've heard before. I could be wrong. I haven't heard every single music track. Nobody has. But it sounds original. After the Rain.
ease my fears. You wash away all my tears and softly say, the light will soon break through. After the rain, the sun comes shining in. After the rain, all things are new again. You stand with me in the middle of the storm. And when my strength is gone, you give me yours. The sky is so much bluer than before. After the rain, I may not know the reasons why.
She's got a set of pipes on her. And she has a great range of control. This is lovely stuff. Lovely stuff from Laura Breton. Aye, After the Rain. Yeah, it's just a nice simple video, just outdoors, possibly. Could be green screen, singing. Yes, carry on.
The sky is so much bluer than before. After the rain, I may not know the reasons why these seasons blow into my life, but I know your love will see me through. After the rain, the sun comes shining in. After the rain, all things are new again. You stand with me in the middle of the storm. And when my strength is gone, you give me yours. The sky is so much bluer than before. After the rain, I don't just around the bend, but finally reach the rainbow's end, where the broken bloom again.
Absolutely beautiful song. I'll be coming into the final part now of Laura Breton, After the Rain. Enjoy it as much as I've been enjoying it. Let's carry on to the end.
Around the bend, but finally reach the rainbow's end, where
Excellent stuff. Laura Breton, After the Rain. Just checking. Sure. I can't remember which one it was. But yes, I have covered her before. I know I have. But she's got so many actual songs out there now that I think it was Lauren Esther Breton with Mary Did You Know, it looks like, 2 years ago. Because it's... Yeah, because it's got my tick on it, so that looks like that's what I've covered. I knew I'd covered it before. I knew I'd done Laura Breton before, a single. Just couldn't remember when. So, might not even have been the first time. I'm having a look. It looks like that was just the one. But I had done one, I knew I had. I knew I had done a reaction to Laura before. 2 years ago though, fucking hell. No wonder I didn't remember it. Subscribe, you lovely people.